Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning chart analysis videos on Friday the 26th of August with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Antic Markets, looking at Eurodollar now, and we've still held on to this uptrend on Eurodollar. I spoke about yesterday, this uptrend that's been intact since the beginning of, late July, that's been sort of tracking higher over the past sort of few weeks, and that correction back into the support at 1233. Whereby old resistance becomes new support, has held again. 1242 is the reaction low, and is sort of building from that again. And basically the euro is sort of still with a mildly positive bias with the momentum indicators. RSI sort of back towards 60 again, but trading above 50. Moving above 50, I think is positive. Also MACD lines sort of mildly positive, but again, sort of lost a bit of the impetus in the move. Stochastics, as I said yesterday, are sort of drifting lower, but by no means in a really sort of precipitous selling fashion. No significant momentum in that. So I think that you're still trading positive above 1243, to be honest. You're above all the moving averages as well. So there's a lot of reasons why you should still be positive about the euro. But in front of Janet Yellen's speech today, I think the market is going to be fairly flat. I mean, it's 10 pips up on the day. I can't imagine we're going to get too much direction ahead of Yellen. You might get a bit out of the US GDP at 130, but I think it's unlikely, unless it's going to be a shoot the lights out or big negative surprise. I think it's going to be a fairly sort of neutered reaction from that GDP data. But Janet Yellen's speech at 3 o'clock will certainly is certainly likely to provide a bit of direction for these markets. So in terms of your hourly chart, again, basically neutral, sort of unwound, no real direction on the sort of momentum indicators of the past few days on the hourly chart. Just settled down really, isn't it? And I think obviously that support initially at still got that uptrend there. That support initially at 1233 is the big breakout level. And beyond that, you're sort of looking at $1.1120 to $1.1150 being sort of an old pivot level of support. So I'd be looking out for that. But I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.